And now in Sidoarjo Regency, there is a nature cafe adorned with various wood accessories and interior.
And some of the wood used in this cafe are hundreds of years old. MGN's Regina Argubi has the story.
This nature cafe is located in Madayang village in Wadu district, Sidoarjo Regency in East Java. Besides being adorned with various plants and wood, there's also a fish pond, and some of the wood used in this cafe are hundreds of years old. The unique natural aspect of this cafe attracts a lot of visitors from out of town during the holidays. Besides the good food and relaxing atmosphere, visitors can also learn about wood here. And the tables, chairs, and almost all aspects of the cafe is made out of Indonesian wood that is rich with history. Some wood collectors from overseas have even bought some of the wood, worth billions of rupiah. There are even some wood that were used as electric poles during the Dutch era. And the wood that is used as a centerpiece in this cafe is an interesting one, with the root's diameter being more than 3 meters wide, and even some wood with carvings from the monarchy era.
Warnanya sejuk, lalu di sini juga kita bisa belajar tipe-tipe kayu dan juga suara airnya itu udah kayak di pedesaan gitu sih Mas. Terus lagi daripada kita jauh-jauh ke Malang untuk masyarakat Surabaya, ternyata ada kafe yang punya konsep di pedesaan. Jadi menarik aja sih menurut saya dan makanannya juga enak-enak. Malah saya tuh baru tahu kalau ternyata banyak banget jenis-jenis kayu yang biasanya kita anggap tuh biasa aja, ternyata udah berusia ratusan tahun. Nah, kita juga di sini sekalian makan juga bisa belajar tipe-tipe kayu.
The owner of the cafe, Krishna Purnomo, used to be a wood collector, but he got into F&B and opened the cafe during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Saya kerja itu karena cinta dulu sih ya, cinta dengan kayu itu. Jadi semuanya mulai kayu yang unik-unik, kayu ulin bekas tiang listrik, kayu jati yang udah tua-tua, kayu bekas jembatan, terus semuanya ada historical value-nya. Dan terakhir saya dapetin kalau kita bilang tuh bogwood, bisa di Google ya, itu jadi semi fossilized wood. Kayu yang terjerembab di suatu kondisi yang wetland, tanah basah yang tidak ada oksigen, istilahnya anaerob, terus unsur mineral-mineral dan taninnya mendukung sehingga dia tidak membusuk, tidak decay, tapi malah mengeras.
For those who enjoy nature and history, mainly concerning wood, this cafe will be a nice destination.